Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and look what finally came in the mail today. It's my Beachly subscription for spring 2024, and I have been waiting on this. I'm actually at my mom's house in Florida. My husband and I are fixing to leave on a cruise tomorrow, and there's a couple of items in here I want to take. So I had it mailed to my mom's house, and whew, I'm so glad it finally came today. Let's see what's inside. So you're probably wondering, what exactly is Beachly? B-E-A-C-H-L-Y. That's how you spell it. And it's all things pertaining to the beach. It's a subscription of fun things, clothing, home items, just different things in there. Today, I think there's two things I'm going to want to take on my trip. But we're going to see what's on the very top here. I don't think I'll be taking this. This is interesting. It's actually a blanket. And they have it, what's that called when you package things and you suck all the air out? That's how they packaged this. So while I'm undoing this, I just want to let you know that this is my second shipment of Beachly, and if you would like to see what I got last time, I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video, so you can click on it if you're interested. But what you do is you sign up, and you can choose what you want in your box to a point. They have different items you can choose from. Let me go get some scissors. All right, so I got a pair of scissors, but I just wanted to read to you a little bit about the details. So if you're going to pay seasonally, the subscription comes seasonally. So you'll have a winter, a spring, a summer, and a fall. And if you just order one at a time, then it's $99 per box. If you order annually, meaning you pay for the full year, so you're paying for all 4 subscriptions, it's $84 per box. And of course there's shipping, which I think is $5. And these boxes, you get about $250 worth of merchandise in there. And the way they explain their product, live the beach life. Beach lifestyle subscription boxes. We deliver the best of beach life straight to your front door. Explore your subscription choices for every beach lover. So if you're a beach lover, you'd like that. All right, let's see what's in here. And here it goes. Now, I had my eyeball on this blanket last time. I really wanted it, but there was something I wanted even more. So I did not choose it. I am cold all the time, so I always like a really good soft blanket. I don't think these are available anymore though. The tier that these were under had several things, and it was hard for me to choose, but I did choose the blanket. It's really, really soft. Isn't this pretty? Let's see. Now I'm outside right now, so I'm not cold, but oh, this will be so nice to wrap up in. Watch a movie and just wrap up in my blanket, lay on the couch. So anyway, that is one thing I got. All right, I'm just going to reach my hand in the box and see what I get. Oh, this is lip balm. Oh, I know what this is. This is kind of fun. Isn't it cute? So it is a pineapple shape, Zoe Ayla, A-Y-L-A. And let's see. Let's open it up and see what it smells like. It smells tropical, almost pineapple-y, citrusy. I wonder if it has any sunscreen in it. I don't think it does. It doesn't say that it does. Used throughout the day for consistent hydrated lips. They have a little thing. It looks like it has a little thing at the top. Can't tell. Oh, maybe not. But it's really, really cute. So that's the second thing I got. All right. Oh, this is one of the things I wanted to take on my trip. Let's see if I can get into the bag here. So they had 2 different shirts like this. One was coconut colored, and it said coconut on it. And this one is yellow, and it says golden, and I love yellow. Isn't that pretty? Now, I ordered a medium. This seems really big. I guess it's oversized. Post Surf is the name of the company. And yes, it is an oversized shirt. So I probably could have had a small on this. But that's really pretty. Oh, we got some sunscreen. This is Sand Cloud Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30. Broad spectrum, SPF 30, water resistant for 40 minutes, fragrance free. Thank you. I'm allergic to fragrance, so I'm glad to see this is fragrance free. And I'm wondering, I think this is supposed to be reef safe from what I understand. That was one of the reasons I got it. I don't see on here where it says, but I mean, there's a lot to read here, so I'll have to look for sure. But got some sunscreen. It'll be great on my cruise. Oh, and this is something else I wanted to bring probably on my cruise. It is a Turkish towel by Sand Cloud. And from what I understand, these are really great to take to the beach because the sand doesn't stick on them. So we'll have to check that out. This is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? The sun setting there on the beach. And it's really, really soft. We have a little bit of fringe there. I'm going to go ahead and open it because, like I said, I am packing my suitcase as we speak. And when the mail came to deliver this, I was really excited. And this is probably going to go right into my luggage. Sand Cloud. That's nice. This would also be nice. It's something nice to wrap up in. It's very, very soft. All right, I think there's one more thing. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. Now, as somebody who makes jewelry and has an Etsy shop with a bunch of jewelry in it, you would think, why is she getting jewelry? I love jewelry. So when I saw this, I really liked this option. So this is an anklet, and it's by Lotus and Luna, handcrafted. And we have a really pretty, looks like little seed beads. This looks like this may be a coconut button. I'm sorry, the lighting in here is not the greatest. Let's get this open here and look at it closer. It is adjustable. It has a little charm off the button. And it says something, I can't see it. Oh, Lotus and Luna. And the button is the clasp. And they've got some leather knotting here. So you can just, it acts as a buttonhole. And it is definitely an anklet. Unless you have larger wrists. I've got really skinny wrists, so. But this I will definitely, in fact, I'm going to put it on right now. See how this Now, when I put it on, I'm going to have to go probably to the second little loop here, and I may trim these off. Just trim, like, just to here. That way, all this is not hanging down. Now, there were other choices. I don't remember the different tiers what your choices were, but I do have this little booklet here that shows different things that I could have chosen. You see this right here? It was really difficult for me to choose between this and that blanket, but I really liked the blanket. And I think I'm glad I got it. This, though, would have been really cute little beach cover-up. We have sunglasses. I wear glasses, so I can't wear sunglasses. They have to be either prescription or the dorky fit-overs. We have a visor. This is a picture frame with coasters. Here's the towel I got. This fanny pack looked really nice, and it's a pretty good size too. It's not real dinky. That would have been a good choice, especially with my trip coming up. Here's the t-shirt. I got this one. This is the coconut one. It says coconut across. We have a little bag here. These are those little, what do they call those? Coolers. And then here's the little lip thing and the anklet. Look at this hat, isn't that cute? It says salty. And this is perfume. I'm allergic to perfume, so that was not even an option for me. And anyway, a lot of fun information here. Oh, what is this? We even have a little recipe in the book. Wonder what that's all about. A zesty citrus splash. That sounds good. Maybe I'll have to try it out. Anyway, this is my Beachly subscription. I'm going to go and pack some things in there for my cruise. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you're interested in getting your own Beachly subscription, I actually have the information down in the comments, or not in the comment section, down in the description box below, along with a coupon code. So check that out, and thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.